Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Algar in the now counter table the max control bank my counter breakdown. The angry government is looking and the counter asset charge and the convertibles. And the now counter bill project was introduced by the central fowl of the following month. Again, the object of the bill is to vertical color all contract asymmetrical will be region. The counter-table project and the riddle is a full development of the project and the will to force collision. We hope the asset trigger and the will region. The first will address the gray also with contract exchange the offer filter asset products operates in the country. The bill index, the body, the organic, the central bank, the region, and the other suffering of the principle by the central as the rest of all the content of the virtual access person. The central bank will have more assertive to regular country. The proposal will set the company that fossil and the chain of the virtual asset and the entry parties, the legion, their president, and their leading to the observer of the sale of virtual assets be considered party of this class. However, the bill introduces allow class or organization of virtual asset reporting of less is time type of the virtual asset in the regular follower cost imitation legal pretext and pretext trading faulting. As the central bank, the country will be the main country watchdog, and the result will cite the now incorporated and the debt operation with virtual asset will be subject and the person and the control power of the central bank or yuan. The bill also refers of the virtual assets of the ways offered to us the digital counterparts, the LRD as far finalists. On the present, last year, the several Ugandans forced the legislation of the countries as the public missing of the payment for goods and the suffering in the country. The first is yet to manage. Why the should call the person be the first bill to others, the others the relation illegal. The right the will the development around country the regular yellow is its first country ATM in the 2019. How the country legal going in the Latin America became trading in the channel country trading on their coin. The bill result of virtual asset security will refer to asset to the different country and the return responsible binary security. To allow risky assets on the bill share all the ratio the same profit so the register falls only the means of the payment, the good and the receiver and the country. The worst time the process is yet to measure. The project is visible to others. The grade to the country legislation in the data. The right about development around country the curtain and the later arses. Jigger style of contracting. The contracting going attacking and the America. Three countering on the coin. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.